Create new bookings. To create new bookings for your clients, please go to the bookings page under the settings menu. On this page, you'll see a table which consists all the services and the bookings which was added by your club. Now, to create new bookings, please click on Add New Class or Session button. When you do, you'll see a pop-up window appear on your screen. It will have several fields in it, so let me quickly explain each of the fields to you. So the very first field will be the Select Service field. In this field, all the services that are previously added by your club will appear. You can either select an existing service or create a new service altogether using the Create Service field. The description holds the details about your booking. Now, you can schedule a booking in two ways, either by date or by days in the week. When you schedule a booking by date, the booking will be available on the date you specified during the time that you have specified. Now, when you schedule the booking by days, you can select a day in the week and the time so that your booking will be available every week on the specified day during the specified time. Now you can select the staff member who is going to take the classes and at last the number of slots that you have available. Now let us quickly create a new service for a kickboxing class for men. So let us schedule it by date, which would be on Tuesday, 8th of June between 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. I'll select the staff member and the number of slots. Now when you click on create, you will see that the booking that we created appears in the table too. Now, for your clients to book the class, click on booking link button. A new page will appear. You'll see all the bookings that have been added by your club on this page. Now you can share the link of this page with your clients so that they can book the classes. So as you can see, the booking that we created appears on this page too. So when a client click on book, they'll see all the details about the booking. And then when they click on next, they have to enter their email. When they do, they can click on create and they'll see a success message. And you and your client will receive a confirmation email regarding the same booking. But keep in mind that the clients who are trying to book the classes have to be your club members. If they are not your club members or if they use an email which is not registered in your club, they'll get an error message. Now we can go back to the bookings page, and you can also check all the clients booking under the clients booking tab.